Hi, this is Bob Johnson, Computer Stuff, and if you're looking for an online Toughbook community that gives tips, tricks, and support, hit the subscribe and bell button for all of our upcoming videos. Today, I'll be replacing the Wi-Fi card in your Durabook S14i semi-rugged laptop. This is one of the newer laptops from Durabook that we offer on our website. First thing you want to do is flip the unit over and remove the battery and SSD drive. Both batteries were already removed. To remove the SSD drive, you just want to push down this lever here and you can pull it right out. Now to remove the rear cover, it's just 3 screws and then you can pry it open and remove. Once that's off, you'll get access to the Wi-Fi card. Now there's 1 screw and 2 connectors holding down the Wi-Fi card. You want to make sure to carefully remove the connectors, one black, one white, and then to unscrew the card. And now you can replace it. Since there's nothing wrong with this one, it's just an example, I'll put that right back. You just want to make sure that the screw and connectors were put back securely. And now you can put the rear cover back on. The SSD can go back in and you're all done. Thank you for watching. Any questions or comments you can leave below.